So good morning everyone. Oh yeah, take a picture. The delivery just came here guys. For all the solar panel. So good morning everyone and welcome to the channel once more. This is Thursday morning, man. Degree right now is like 56 degree. It's a little bit chill, but it's very, very nice, man. I just have on a light jacket over here. So this guy's gonna be installing solar panel for me today, guys. So I took the day off, so I'm gonna be home. So this guy gonna be working on the solar panel here, man. So then just do the delivery, and we have a few guys over here also. So this is the panel right here. Delivery just came. It's huge. This is all the stuff that need to install the panels.
You're from India, right?
India? No, South America.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, South America. So this is one of the delivery guys. Yeah, what's your name?
Anthony.
Anthony, nice to meet you,
Nice to
man.
meet you, too.
Alrighty.
South America.
South America, Guyana?
Guyana.
Guyana.
Yeah.
You're gonna be on YouTube. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. So you want to say hi to anybody here?
Yeah. Hi. What's the name of the YouTube? What's that?
My YouTube name is Shine One Life to Live.
One Life to Live. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Shine One Life to Live.
Yeah, of course, I will.
Check it out. Check
Yeah,
it
of
out.
course.
You're gonna see this on YouTube.
Oh,
All right, Anthony.
We're gonna get that one replaced.
Oh, you're gonna get one
Yeah,
replaced?
It was a bad one.
Oh, okay. But you're gonna get it today?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Beautiful. Yes, guys. So this is it right here. So these guys over here, man, get everything prepped. You have the truck with everything. Guys pulling the meter. You're gonna replace the whole meter, guys. You just pull the meter, take the power off. Have the new box over here. It's right here. So they have to replace the whole box for the meter. Real nice. So guys, this is a bracket they use to hold this panel in place. Look at this, man. And the bottom here, they use like silicone and then screw it to the roof. So it's sealed. Completely sealed, guys. So the guy is setting up all the panel right now here to go on the roof. Real nice. Two guys is setting up everything here. And we have three guys in the back. Guys taking out the meter, pull new wires, put a new box, disconnect. These guys in the back here. I mean, I give this guy the space, let it work, you know. I don't want to be in this guy's way. But completely, man. The meter sits on the wall, he already cut it out. You're gonna pull new wire, new service from the main, from the rooftop, all the way to the panel. And I put new wires. Cause the wires kind of old. Probably since this house built, they never changed the wires. So these guys, they know what I'm doing, man. So this is what we're talking about, guys. That's why I don't want to go on the roof. You know, now it's 10 o'clock and this guy barely gets started, you know. This guy barely gets started, disconnect everything, and the rain is falling. And I got 3 guys on the roof. I got 3 guys on the roof. And it started to rain. Man, look at this weather, guys. So it's raining, so this guy got to get down on the roof, you know. Safety reason. Can't walk in the rain and do this. It's pouring, man. Right away wrong, guys. Right away wrong. I get 3 guys down there hiding in the rain, man. Guys, look at the trees, man. It's beautiful, man. With the colors. This is my neighborhood, guys. So my neighbor do have the same thing too. Solar panel on his roof. And now I'm getting it. So we're going green, guys. Look there, man. Guys on the roof. Installing them, connect the electric. Everything just snapped together and bolted onto the roof. This guy's almost finished up this one side. Man, my neighbor have a huge tree there, guys. You see the tree size? I'm scared of that tree. If something should happen and the tree go, you know. It's huge. So this is the panel, guys, already prep, ready to go. This panel basically is 4 feet by 6 feet. This is the guy who doing the prepping over here, man. Put all the wire works and stuff together. Connect everything. I'm gonna give the guy on top there on the roof so they can do the connection. Look at the weather, guys. It's gonna be raining too. This guy is trying to finish it up. Right away running. Hopefully the weather gives them a couple hours more so they can finish. So this guy now have to get wet on top of the roof, you know. It's dangerous. But you have strap and stuff still, you know. This roof. Sunrun. These guys are working pretty quick, guys. Every day then does the same thing, you know. So in and out, in and out. You rock and roll. Yes, guys. So this is it, man. It's a lot of connection, guys. Lots of connection to do to make this thing happen, you know. So they finished one side, guys. We have this one side here more to go. Do final connection. Hopefully the rain give us a chance, so then I have to get down on the roof so I can finish it, you know. And the guy have the boom box out there too, man. So everything is snapped together, man, and then bolted on the roof, guys. I mean, simple installation. But at least you gotta get training to do this, you know. And these guys are working and party together, man. You can see the sun over there, guys. It's very cloudy. So I think they're gonna be finished before it started to rain again, guys. Guys, making a final connection there. So guys, we have David over here, man. He's the main man for this panel, okay? He's doing all the connection of the wires, guys. Look what David is doing here, man.
So we basically just call it wire management.
Wire management, okay.
So when we're going and as we have the panels, basically we can't have any slack in it.
Oh, okay.
So when we're basically putting our pictures through, anything touching the roof, they're gonna basically they're gonna flag it.
Oh, okay, okay,
So
okay.
when we're doing it, we want to get
Tight as possible.
As tight as possible. Yeah.
Yeah, so it wouldn't touch the roof. Beautiful, man. Look at this, guys. So David down here, he's the main man, get everything prepped. And we have two guys on the roof. And we have two guys in the back also. Bad, bad. Oh, this panel right here. So thinking and walking on the east side first. There you go. Yeah, there are quite a few on there already. And my neighbor yards. So they install it here, guys. So they have it on the east side and the west side. And my plants still keep going, but it's getting colder, guys. This guy up there. These guys are doing all the prepping over there. With the electric. He's coming through. There's two guys on the roof. So the guy's putting on the bracket there. See that. Hello, hello.
How you guys doing?
Good. So that is the bracket for the panels. And from here they're gonna go all the way. So this is the finished product here, guys. Everything closed up. Panel and disconnect. And now redo the whole meter too. Going into the house with the ground and stuff in the dirt. So this is the finished product, guys. The solar panel is finished on the roof. So now I get up on the roof. Stop raining. The guy finished. So we have panel on the west side of the roof.
The guy I told you to go home like an hour ago.
And we have panel on the east side of the roof. Yeah, man. So this is it, guys. Finisher today. Look at the view, guys. It's beautiful right now. Not that cold.
Hey, sir. I gotta get this down.
Give me 1 second, I'll be there. So thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you to my viewers. Thank you to my subscriber. I do appreciate it, guys. And keep watching, okay? Please subscribe, share, and like. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Bye.